Who the hell is that? What's going on? I can't stop yawning. It hurts. It hurts. My jaw's cramping. Ow! I'm only yawning because you keep yawning. I'm only yawning because you won't stop. No, how about you stop? How about turn around so I won't see you yawn? That loud ass yawn. Go somewhere where I can't hear you. Like who does that? That loud ass yawn. Stay sad. I can still see you. Why are you even looking? Shut up! God damn it! You better hold in that damn yawn. All of that yawning. It's annoying. Alright, we're done. We're good. Alright, we're good. Everything is over. We're done yawning. God damn! See? I don't lie. We're through. Yes! We can relax. Finally! Breathe! We did it! Yes! Finally!